Clean the recoating roller in the HP Jet Fusion 300 and 500 3D printer series when prompted by the front panel. At the prompt, touch Start. Your printer might look different, but the steps are the same. Open the top cover. Move the fusing carriage to the center of the print area. Locate the metal roller underneath the left side of the fusing carriage. Use an anti-static alcohol wipe to clean the roller. Touching the roller with your hands might damage it. Rotate the roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller, and then wipe the surrounding area. Close the top cover. On the front panel, touch Finish, then OK to complete the process.